Well, hello radio fans, it's Bob N1KPR, and today I want to show you a little transmitter that goes with the FM transmitter that's already here. There's a video of it here. That one is an FM retransmitter that does 100 milliwatts. It'll go up to half a watt and cover the house and the yard nicely without breaking any FCC rules. This one is the companion to that, and it's a Bluetooth running at 2.4 gigs out of this little 5/4 wave antenna we have here. Here's a little power amp that does Bluetooth and Bluetooth protocol. It does the A to D and the D to A conversion inside that little blue board. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bunch of little chips right here that have all kinds of witchcraft and black magic going on inside. We won't get into that right now. But anyhow, here's the chassis. We've got a switching power supply. I don't like those in communication work, but we've got this all cleaned up. We're down to about 2, 3, 4 millivolts of hash and spikes coming out, so it's pretty clean. I put in a pi filter and some additional bypassing to clean that up. We do some audio processing in here for the incoming audio. We've got some preamps here and indicator drivers here that we can use for driving the indicators on the front panel so you don't overdrive this transmitter. You want to not underdrive or overdrive, so it's helpful to have these things. We cheated. I've got a LED bar graph here that is the feed from the line. We have line in, which could be an iPod or a radio or TV, whatever you want to do. I added a mic input with another stage of gain back here so we could run a microphone if you want to talk to people in your house. Tone controls, low pass, high pass. This is the transmitter module, and we have a reset that we can get into that controls the pairing that the Bluetooth likes to do automatically. It pairs off with a receiver somewhere in the house or on your phone or wherever, the computer or your smart TV. Power control for the transmitter. Here's all the functions that are going on with the transmitter, and let me get back to that. Transmit audio, actually the master gain feed to the actual power, the Bluetooth RF power amp, or the output device rather. This is the drive level to the transmitter, so you can always, see you're not going to overdrive it. And a monitor that we can use to monitor locally what we're transmitting. So you can always just turn this on,
he still refuses to arm and train the Kurds,
and
amazing to me.
You can hear what you're sending out to the system. All right, I'm going to shut off the little receiver that I'm feeding up to a mixer now. This is what you're hearing. Let me see if you can hear that.
I'm not going to play the game that the media
This is the Bluetooth receiver through an audio mixer.
How can a guy?
All right, so I'll turn that down. I'm going to shut off the receiver and keep an eye on the Bluetooth indicators here. You can see it's going crazy now. It's looking for something to talk to, and it's not getting a handshake. It wants a handshake to know that it's transmitting. And we're still putting audio into the system, but it ain't going nowhere. And the silly thing isn't very happy. So now we're going to turn the receiver on. Here. Okay, it's on. And now you can see the little transmitter thing. Every 2 seconds will give you a blip that says, hey, I'm all paired up. We can also go into a reset. We could tell the transmitter, look for another device. You're connected to the iPhone, you're supposed to connect to the TV. And you notice we're down to about 80 milliamps here. Here's the voltage, 5 volts. We're down to about 80 mils because it's going into standby mode. Turn it on. You can see that it's drawing current. And over here, it's connected already. Well, that's basically this thing. Again, it matches the FM system that we built on the other video. So we have whole house either FM retransmission or Bluetooth retransmission. And incidentally, Bluetooth spec calls for a 10 meter range, or about 30 feet. With this antenna, we're good for, oh boy, 100 feet or better in the clear. You don't want to go too much with Bluetooth because you may be pairing up with something in the neighbor's house. So you don't want to do that. But here it is, the audio's.
We see the
audio's great.
Slipping away in front of us. But in the last
Very
7 years,
very
we've
nice
seen
audio,
I've never thought
and
we talk about foreign policy.
it's going to be a nice little gadget to have here
We've seen 18
around our home.
We've seen
So that's it. Thanks for looking. The website is bobsamerica.com, bobsamerica.com, and my YouTube channel is In1KPR. If you're a fan, subscribe. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.